What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a bit of a different one. I went out, I spent a bit of money on myself. Every now and then you have to do it, you work hard, you enjoy the spoils of it. So let's have a look at what I bought. So guys, I wanted one of these for a really long time. It's a DJI Mini 2. It's a drone and it is actually really good. I went for the combo kit because it also comes with all of this. So the bundle combo comes with obviously the bag, you get a battery with the remote, the drone itself, and you also get 2 spare batteries and a charging dock, which is very handy for charging all the batteries. As you can see, this one's fully charged and this one is charging, and obviously this one that is outside is fully charged also. It also comes with a plug and a C-type charger for Samsung. It's really handy. On the bottom here you have your toggle switches and you also get a spare set in the kit. We just take the leads out of the bag. These are other lead types that you get with the Mini 2. You get the iPhone connection to connect your phone onto this. We'll show you this now in a minute. And you also get the normal Android charger bit. I don't actually know what it's called, but you get that one as well to connect to your phone. If you have an older phone, you can connect it to the controller. So also in the bag, there is this zip right here. Once you open the zip, you will see 3 big packs, and that is spare blades and a screwdriver with loads of spare screws for this. So you get a few sets of new blades and new screws for here when you're replacing them if they do fall off or break or get damaged. So the controller is pretty easy to use. You have your normal mode, sport mode and cine mode. Cine mode is getting them really close up, really perfect picture scenes, and then the sport obviously is the drone will speed up faster, fly faster, turn faster. We'll try it on a normal mode for now and show you how it works. So your phone sits in the top part here. This pulls out and it is spring loaded, so your phone sits in that. And then if you look in top, just here, that's where your connection connects in. I'll actually pull it out and show you. So obviously your phone goes here. This plugs into your phone and that's your phone connected up to the controller. Now on to the most important part is the drone. The drone comes with this little clip case. It's to stop the fans moving around in the bag and snapping off and getting broken. Apparently the problem with the old Mini, the Mini 1, was the fans where the blades got broken in the bags and people had to keep buying them and replacing them, and they're not cheap. Let's take this off. So with that off, you can see the blades are moving freely. The best way to pull this out is when you see the legs. So you're going to pull these legs out first like that, and then this one flips over. And the same on the other side. The one with the leg first, and then this one flips over. Very handy. As you can see here, the gimbal does have a case on it. As you can see, there's a gap in here for your thumb. So you put your thumb in there and you push forward, and it just flips off like that. Now I'm going to grab my phone and I'm going to get my phone into this all set up, and then we're going to turn both on. With the controller, you can press the controller once and it'll tell you how much battery you have on it. Then you hold it down until it beeps, and that's the controller on. To get the app, you need to go on to the DJI website, and on an Android you download it as an APK file, but if you're an iPhone you can actually download it from the Apple Store. I don't know why they have it like that way, but I downloaded it straight away. Wi-Fi connection took 5 minutes to set it up, and it works perfect. Now guys, we have the controller all set up. We're going to move over to the drone. You're going to take your battery, you're going to turn the drone over till it's facing like this, open the hatch, slide the battery in, hear a click, and then you're going to push this down and push it down until it clicks like so. Then you're going to turn your drone over, you're going to press this button, tell you how much battery there is, and then you're going to hold it and then set it down and let it load. So guys, that's all syncing up. When you see the yellowy green light flashing, it's syncing up to the phone. As you can see, the phone is now on and it is showing picture. we're just going to take our toggle switches out and screw them into place. You also get a spare set of these in the bundle. And that's it, guys. We are ready to go. As you can see on the camera there, we are all ready to rock and roll. I am going to lift the camera and look at myself if I can. The gimbal is working good, so yeah, it's awesome. It's pretty cool. So let's bring it outside for its first flight. So we have the drone out here, all set up, ready to go. So there are a few things on screen that I need to show you. This little button there is how you actually launch the drone. Automatically launches from the ground. It's really cool, and it's pretty easy to fly apparently. So let's give it a go. So guys, when you take off with the drone, it will just sit there and hover. It's really cool. You can up it a little bit just to keep it up out of the way of the cars so we don't hit them. But that's the drone just floating there. You can see how cool it is with the gyro. It's literally just a little bit of wind and you can see it fighting the wind. It's really cool. So let's switch to the camera on the drone and do some shots. So guys, that was the little test run around the estate. The handy thing about this is it has auto landing, so you literally press this little button and then you're going to hold where it says, you can't even see it, it says land on the pad, so you're just going to hold it for 2 seconds and it will land all on its own. And automatically turns off. So guys, I'm really impressed with the Mini 2. It's really easy to control. It has automated modes on it that I need to set up. It has follow mode, so you can set this to track the actual controller itself. Get in your car and it will follow you. Now it says it has 30 minutes flight time, but I'm flying it maybe 10-15 minutes and it's only used 33% of its battery. Like, it is restricted in Ireland. I think you're only allowed to fly it at 60 meters high, which is an absolute mental amount. It's very high. It flies at 17 kilometers an hour unless you stick it into sport mode. I think it does double that, and it can follow you up in your car up to 50 kilometers an hour. So I'm really impressed with it. So guys, first test flight was amazing, great fun, really good quality. I'm hoping when I get it onto the computer there, it's really good quality. But yeah, we'll give it a go and we'll upload it and see what everyone thinks. Let me know if you need to know anything else about it. If you want to buy one, I'll let you know what the pros and cons are owning it over a couple of months or weeks, whatever. But the way it is now, flew it for about 15-20 minutes. It used 35% of the battery, which is really good. The rest of them are over there charging, so I recommend getting the bundle. You get 3 batteries with it. It's very handy with the 3 batteries. You can leave them on charge. They charge up one by one, so one battery will fully charge, it will stop charge and move to the next one, that'll charge and move to the next one. So you'll always have 3 fully charged batteries, which is over an hour and a half of fly time, which is really good for any kind of filming. An hour and a half is plenty. So I am going to be bringing the drone out and doing some, maybe driving to some cliffs out by the sea, fly it around, get some scenic views, and I will be using it with the Mini when it's finished. So I'll be flying it around, doing photo shoots with it, doing runs with the lads in all the cars, having a bit of fun with the car, finally enjoying it. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget, leave a like, drop a comment, let me know what you think of the quality of the picture, and let me know if you'd like to get one. I'll tell you where I got mine and how I got it. It's pretty easy. So cheers guys, thanks for watching, peace out, see you in the next one, and don't forget, be dedicated.